Sorry, my dogs are being dicks here. There's a dog outside barking, and of course they've got to bark. That's what dogs do. Come on, give them a break. I am just trying to get this thing up and going. Come on. All right, let's go ahead and share this out. And streaming really kills my Wi-Fi. All right, so let me start recording this one. Okay, I'm just going to get going. Let's see how this thing does. Okay, so the ArcGIS CLI will scaffold an application for you. I've talked about this quite a bit. If you're not familiar with it, you can install it. Scaffold a basic app, React, Vue app. What's really cool though is you can scaffold an app that uses a CDN. It's pretty fast to build, kind of easy to work with. Use this roll up under the hood to do the build. What's neat though is, well, what I really like is that all these apps are written in TypeScript. But I understand not everyone might want to write TypeScript for whatever silly reason. So we're going to go ahead and try to convert this app here into a regular vanilla JavaScript application. You know, I don't need to have this font so big here, so make it a little smaller. Okay, so I guess first thing we'll do is we're going to get rid of the, well, first let me go ahead and run it just so you can see what it looks like by default. So if I just kind of run npm start here, give it a second. It's going to take a little bit to do the first build. All right, so localhost 8080. All right, so let's come down over here. See what this is going to look like. Come on. Pretty sure it did the build already. Yeah, it did. Now I'm just waiting for some nonsense to happen. Wow, this is really slow. Kind of bullshit. It's a stream doing this at the same time as a stream. It's gonna fuck me all up. Now this is mainly because I am on a Windows machine doing this, and it's just something horrible. So try and get back here. Man, oh man, my dogs do not like this at all. I'm not letting them go crazy. But okay, this is dumb. It's not going to work. Okay, let's just start converting the app. All right. Forget this stupid trying to run the dev server nonsense. All right, so let's go ahead and just get rid of the tsconfig. Boom, gone. Yeah, get rid of it. I don't care. It's going to start renaming some shit here. Let's go and just rename this to a JS file. Let's go ahead and have some more TypeScript files over here. Let's rename this to a JS file. All right, so got that. Let's go ahead and oh, I'm in the wrong one. Darn it. No, I did this all wrong. Okay. What I want to do, I forgot to do it as a CDN app. So let's go ahead. See, I'm deleting crap all the time. No wonder it was taking forever. All right, that wasn't the rollup build. That was a Webpack build. Because I'm stupid and I don't know what I'm doing. And of course, I'm on a Windows machine. And this is total shit. Look, if you guys wanted a polished app, you'd wait for me to make a YouTube video and put it out. But that's not what you're here for, so. All right, here. I forgot to do this part. -- CDN. There we go. And while that's happening, drink some coffee. This installing dependency should be pretty quick, since it's not going to use Webpack. It won't use the Webpack plugin, and it will not install the API or everything. It's just going to be a straight CDN build. Come on, you sucker. Now we're just waiting. I mean, this is half of what programming is, right? I mean, npm installs, wait for builds to happen. Just lots of waiting for things to happen around here. And of course, I'm on a Windows machine. So you can see this thing is super. Ah, man. All right. What's up, little guy? Let's see. Let me grab one here. Come here. Oh, come here, you guy. All right. So this is one of them. This one's Jax. Might as well introduce you to my dogs, since I'm waiting for this to happen. And this one, come here. Come on. There. This one, Sally. So you can see the two of them like to fight if they're just together. They play, not fight. But, all right. I know you're mad. They're mad because there's a dog outside barking. All right, go. Okay, something's happening here. Yeah, I know. Shh. I need more coffee. So I hope everyone that might be working from home is doing pretty good. A lot of us working from home for a while. I guess to or not, right? So yeah, sorry. I have these Google Wi-Fi waypoints, not waypoints, Google Wi-Fi access points throughout the house, and there's one in my office here, but I got to keep the door closed or this house gets a little crazy. So I think it's kind of getting some bad connection to the rest of these Wi-Fi points so I have throughout the house. I should probably add a few more. These new Google Wi-Fi access points, the new ones, have a Google Home built right into them. That's pretty cool. I've already got one, Google Mini, in my room though. Not sure I need one everywhere I've got an access point. It's just too much Google listening to me, I think. That's fine. I mean, I've got an Alexa and a Ecobee, which has Alexa built in, so one way or another, someone's listening to me. My ranting. Holy shit, this is taking forever. Come on. Let's make sure I'm not getting any messages here. No one needs anything. Not right now, anyway. You guys don't want to hear me cough, so mute the mic real quick. Seriously, I can't be the only one that has to sit around and wait for stuff like this to happen. All right. Typically, npm installs don't take this long, but there we go. All right. Finally, jeez. Okay. Let's look at this one. Yes, there's a rollup config. Right one. Okay. This is gonna work now. I swear. I promise. Now we're good. The VS Code server. What is happening to me? It's going. Okay, here it is. There we go. Here comes VS Code. The file no longer exists, so I should probably close that. Yes, the Linux. Notice I've got the Linux subsystem here. Thankfully, it's still working right now. Oh, come on. So now, normally, I would edit all this out in Camtasia or something, but we ain't rolling like that today. We're live. I don't care about release notes. Okay, so here we've got a roll-up configuration for the app that you get with the CLI. I'm not going to be using TypeScript, so let's get rid of that. We don't need that plugin. We're going to get rid of TypeScript here. Bam. Okay, save that. Actually, let's put that back. Because now, if we're lucky, I should be able to npm start this, and we should get a cool, decent little app running pretty quickly. So it's just going to run rollup, run a watch mode. Should be a localhost 1001, I believe, as soon as this is done. Yeah, there we go. 1001. Okay, so let's come back over here. All right. Oh, sorry, I missed a 0. My bad. thought that looked weird. All right, there we go. Okay, so here's our template application. Well, that's some. Just going to move this sucker. All right, so if we come over here, I should have some source maps, point things. Come on. Yep. Yeah, so there's our TypeScript source for this app. So we're not going to wait for all that to load. Restless. Okay, let's go and stop the local dev server, and let's start getting back to what we're doing. So we're going to convert this from, oh, my mouse is even lagging, from TypeScript. Oh no, come on. Get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. We're not going to need that anymore. So I think that's all we have to do in rollup there. We've got a lot of, let's get rid of the tsconfig. Let's delete that permanently. That's right. Let's get myself a little console going here. Darn it. This is the deal with using Windows sub Linux. Linux for Windows subsystem. Like my terminal in code here is going to be the same as my other terminal, so it kind of jacks me up. That's fine. I get this weird stuff here. I don't know what's going on. So all right, so let's come over here to Jest. This is going to change, but we'll do this later. Let's start renaming things. Let's take this index file, call it JS. All right, so now if we look at this file, there's no typings at all. Even though it was a TypeScript file, nothing was typed, so it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and rename this one to a JS file too. Same thing here. I don't think there were any typings at all. No, not a single typing. So look at that. TypeScript looks exactly like the JavaScript. I mean, you can't get much cleaner than that. Let's take this widgets file. This is just a file that's going to initiate some widgets. So there were some typings here, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and turn this to a JavaScript file. Don't need this anymore. Don't need any of this anymore. That's just some bullshit JavaScript don't care about. See, even my dog thinks it's bullshit. You know, but I'm a huge fan of TypeScript. I don't know what's wrong with you people, but it's cool. I know my dog's pissed. I don't think my dog likes TypeScript either, but what are you gonna do? All right, don't need to type my spy here. Look at all these any's, because you know what? Sometimes just gotta get anything done. Okay. All right, so all right, that's done. I've got some mocks here, so we gotta change these. And my dogs are kind of pissed. I won't let them just kind of run around and go nuts. So man, I'm sorry, guys. I'll take you for a walk in a bit. Let's change this one. So if you're not familiar with Jest, these are just mock files, so that when Jest runs, it uses these mock modules or mock classes instead of the real classes, which is kind of necessary to get this stuff done. Okay, so we got that danned. So I got some ESLint stuff going here. Let's get rid of the parser. We won't use that. I'm going to keep the prettier one, but I do not need these TypeScript ones here. And I don't need these here. All right, so all right, let's try that. I think I gotta do something for Babel here. Maybe. I don't know if I need Babel configuration in here. So okay, let's try npm start now. Let's do a run a build. All right, just build to be quick. Nope, didn't like that. What didn't it like? Oh, Jesus, I hate this. Okay, I can't do this here. Ah, my dog's pissed. All right, let me come do it over here because I'm getting all jacked. Look at, see, this is, oh, God. Oh, I hate this. Okay, let me come back to code. Let's get rid of this. Close, you beast. Oh my gosh, I'm all jacked up now. Why can't I see my error? Okay. Close that. All right, we're gonna try this again here. There we go. That's better. Oh yeah, my entry module. Oh, I guess I did have to do something else in there. You know, someone saw that and I missed it. I'm sorry. I just. Okay, so I need to come over here, change this to .js instead of TS. This is what happens when you work in a Windows environment. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm ragging on Windows here. I'm sure that Windows is great for most people. I'm sure you guys love it. I always have issues every time I do it. Okay, so let's come back over here. Cross your fingers. Let's see if that worked. I know now they're whimpering. Come on, guys. Don't do this to me. Console. Ah, there we go. We got a map coming up. And that just worked. Awesome. So if I come to the source here, yeah, see? Source index.js. Bam, we're good to go. Awesome, look at that. And we just converted that over to from TypeScript to regular JavaScript. It wasn't hard, right? The template app doesn't have a lot of heavy typings to it. If it were a more complex application, I might do more typings to it. But the whole idea behind that template app is that it would just, that was an alarm went off somewhere. It is just to help you get started, right? It's not meant to be a full-blown enterprise app. It's just a way to get you going. Full-blown enterprise application, I might go ahead and do a lot more typings in there. But okay, so the one thing that I know is not working right now is going to be jest. So if I do npmt to run the test, that should fail hard. Come on, see, so it's going to try to run that spec. And yeah, so I've got a bad failure there. It's going to be on the test suite failed to run. Okay, so cannot use import CSI module. Okay, so I think here what I need to do, Babel jest, right? So I have to install Babel and Babel jest. So let's Babel jest. Yes, I'm Googling because I don't remember the exact library names used. But I'm pretty sure I need to install Babel core, Babel jest, Babel preset environment. We'll find out. This should tell me exactly what to do. It's read only. Just for plugin Babel has moved. Okay. All right. Very nice, very subtle, very sweet, very clean. Any Letterkenny fans around here? Yeah, I know, right? Letterkenny is awesome. If you haven't seen it, you guys gotta get out there and watch Letterkenny. Okay. So I'm gonna. Whoa, it's not what I want. There we go. Okay, so now I think what I need to do. Let's look and see what this tells me to do. No, see, that's so fast. I skipped all setup nonsense, right? So there we go. All right, so I add this transform to my jest config over here. I've done this before. So yeah, see right now I'm trying to transform with TypeScript. That's not what I want. I am not in JSON files, so I can go ahead and I've been on a kick recently where I've preferred single quotes over double quotes. I don't exactly know why, to tell you the truth. I think I just kind of fell into that trap. Come on. More coffee. This is that double caffeine K-cup Starbucks coffee. It's pretty strong. Okay. All right. So now if I try to do npm test, I don't think I need to have a Babel config inside my package JSON, but I don't know, to be honest with you. Yeah, okay, that failed. I do. All right. Presets. I needed a Babel preset. See, I might already have it installed. Let's see. Let's look at my current package JSON. No, I do not. Okay. Not a problem. There's a lot of other stuff installing here. I'm not cleaning out my package.json from the TypeScript stuff. Not right now. But that is something that you'd probably normally do. So let's go ahead and it's I think it's preset-env, like that. All right. Of course, I'm gonna Google that. Yeah, see, I had it over here earlier, and let's go ahead and copy this right here. See, now I can't edit my package JSON because it's installing a node module in my package JSON, so I'm just kind of stuck until that happens, which really kind of sucks. Come on, you can do this. Let's do it. So I don't think I need to do any more of my jest configuration. Jest should be all done. Let's go. Come on. And I mean, jest is nice and all, but the fact that when I use jest, I got to do all these mocks and everything, I mean, that just, I don't know. I prefer just using sit on, create all my mocks, and be done with it. I don't need all that bullshit, but such is the life. All right. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? All right. So let's add a Babel. Now I could add a Babel RC, but yeah, I don't care. This is fine. Okay. Let's try it now. And there we go. Our jest test passed. Awesome. So we just converted a TypeScript app to a JavaScript app. Everything's good. Our tests are working. We saw the app works. There was not really much need to change anything in the files because even though they were TypeScript, they weren't relying heavily on any typings. Got rid of the tsconfig, and now the rollup just had tell it to point to a JavaScript file and just said TypeScript. Remove the TypeScript plugin. Everything worked. You notice I did not have to set up Babel in here in Rollup at all. Rollup will automatically see any kind of Babel config. Well, it will automatically compile the app with Babel. The only reason I needed a Babel configuration here, is because Jess was doing it. So I don't know if actually Rollup does not use Babel. I don't know if it uses Babel under the hood or not, but it is going to automatically convert my JavaScript to AMD, because that's what I'm telling rollup to do, and the rollup config over here. So it took care of any transpiling of my JavaScript that I needed. So there you go. That's how you convert TypeScript to JavaScript for your ArcGIS API for JavaScript applications. If you use the CLI, you don't like it. I'll probably try to add these JavaScript options for the output of the templates at some point. It's just kind of a pain because if I do it for one, I kind of have to do it for all of them, which is a lot of work. So I got to do it for the basic app, the CDN app, the React app, and the Vue app to get all that stuff working. So it's like 4 new apps I got to add to the templates and stuff. So, but we do accept PRs, so if anyone's up for working on those and wants to put some stuff together, let me know, and I will work on providing a JS output option. All right, appreciate it. Thank you.